Hey, what's up guys? Matt here with Fix Anything Save Money. Today we're going to be showing you how to remove a drawer that is equipped with these slide glides. So we're in my bathroom. This is my vanity in my bathroom, and I need to get to the water shutoff, and it's behind this drawer, and so we need to remove this drawer. So the old design, houses that were built in the 70s, 80s, 90s, you're probably used to just seeing the wheel that's attached to this track that fits over this track here, and then there's a wheel on each side, and you just fit the wheel over and the drawer closes. This new design that's been out for quite a while, this is called a slide glide or sliders, and I'm going to show you how to remove a drawer that has those installed. So what you're going to want to do is open the drawer up all the way, and then this track right here, you're going to want to make sure this is pushed all the way up against your cabinet. And then you can see this little lever right here gets exposed, and it looks the same on the track on the other side of the drawer. So what you're going to want to do is push this lever up, and then the lever on the other side, you're going to want to push that one down. They're opposite. So you push that one down, which I'm doing right now. You just can't see it on camera. And then you're just going to pull the drawer straight out towards you. You see the drawer is removed. So you might also be doing this if this is starting to squeak, although I've never really heard of them starting to squeak, but I guess they could because there is lubrication along the track here. So I'll throw a link in the description on where you could buy some lubricant if your track is starting to squeak. You're just going to want to put it inside the groove on the track and then just work it back and forth on each track. So then we'll show you how to put the drawer back in. So we could just push these tracks back in, and then all we're going to do is line up the grooves on the drawer track with the grooves on the track that's built into the cabinet, and then you could actually hear it click into place. And then you can see it's all back together. So yeah guys, I'll put a link in the description on where you could buy some grease. You could either just put it along this track right here, the top and bottom, and then just work it around, and the grease will kind of move in on its own on each side of the track. Or you could do it when the drawer is actually removed, whichever way you want to do it. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, be sure to like this video. If it helped you out, be sure to subscribe to the channel. It helps me grow. It helps me create more content if you do. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.